Hey guys, LJ here, and I'm really excited because I'm going to present to you a new program that I just came across, and I literally just signed up. It's a Matrix type of a program, and it's using Bitcoin only, and there is no money going in the system. It's kind of a new concept. It sounds a little bit strange. Basically, what we have is we have an MLM type of system, a matrix, and what the system is doing, it's monitoring for you who is in your team, and it's registering every payment if the payment has been cleared and all of that. But all of the payments are being done from peer to peer, meaning you are sending money to your upline and you are receiving money from your downline. Therefore, none of these transactions, no funds are going in the system, and there are no funds staying in the system or anything like that. It's a really interesting concept, and it's a new module. I mean, I have seen previously crowdfunding type of modules where people are donating to other people. But with this one, what's really interesting is the way it's being done, because it's being done through Bitcoin and everything. Now, let me first go into the basics of how the matrix is working, and I'm going to go into the payment details after that. So basically, you have an very low entry fee. It's $17, something like that, because we're working in Bitcoin.
Let's going to explain the program, and company name is Max Fund. Max Fund BTC, a path to success. Yes, dear friends, it is Bitcoin matrix. It is complete matrix. Friends, you have to introduce 126 people a step by a step, and you will growing a step by a step. Friends, just I'm going to explain you a step by a step. Friends, what is Bitcoin? Just you visit in my blogs cartcoolers.com, you will find out what is Bitcoins, and after that see some strategy is there how you have to introduce. See, this is based on average, just getting 2 participants. If you have more than 2, you can help you download by placing dead people under them. Yes friends, if you have more than 2 referral, you have to place your downline referral. Friends, see, first 2 referral you will get 0.002 BTC, means you have to donate 0.02 BTC first means you have to donate approx $20 to your upline, and after that you are able to accept the donations, and first 2 donation only you have to receive, and after that you will receive a step by a step. See, first 2 donation you will receive 0.02 BTC, and total you will get 0.04 BTC. And after that, if you want to earn more money, then you have to upgrade your level, and you have to donate 0.03 BTC to your upline, and rest 0.01 BTC is your profits on your profits. And after that you will upgrade second level, and now you will get 4 people to 0.03 BTC, and total you will get 0.12 BTC. And after that, if you want to earn more money, then you have to donation 0.06 BTC your up level, and after donating 0.06 BTC you will able to upgrade level 3, and this process is going on till 6th level. Friends, Max Fund BTC is now going on blast, and it is going to grow and grow. Only it is now born, it is 3 days old programs, and if anybody join now, they will grow and grow only. Friends, some payment chart of Max Fund BTC, you can check it and see Max Fund BTC level. See friends, if you join, after that you have to introduce two people. If you will introduce two people, you are able to upgrade level 1, and now you in level 1. If your referral introduce two people, and here also your referral introduce two people, then just you upgrade your level and you will get second level and carry on forward till 6th level. Friends, see some charts is there. First level you have to donate 0.02, second level you have to donate 0.03 BTC, and third level you have to donate 0.06 BTC. Fourth level you have to donate 0.18 BTC, or fifth level you have to donate 0.90 BTC. Sixth level you have to donate 2 BTC. See friends, some matrix also I am showing. See, in when you joining and when you donating and when you accepting, only you have to donate and accept the payment through blockchain. Means you have to accept peer-to-peer direct funding. See friends, sorry, everyone can join starting with 0.02 BTC coin, means approx 14 USA dollar. Only you have to donate 14 USA dollar, and after that you will find out a step by a step like this. See friends, someone introduce you. After introducing you, you have to donate 0.02 BTC them, and now you are able to receive 2% donation. Means you will receive 0.02 BTC and you will receive 0.02 BTC, and now you have 0.04 BTC, and further like this. See friends, after when you will donate 0.03 BTC, your upline, now you are here and your upline is here. Just you denote 0.03 BTC, and now you are able to receive 0.03 BTC to each 4, and now you have 0.12 BTC. See friends, like this one. Now you going on level 3rd, and now you are able to receive, when you will denote 0.06 BTC, your upline, you are now able to receive the payment of 8 people 0.06 BTC, and now you have 0.48 BTC. Friends, now we going on 4th level, and just come on 4th level. 4th level you have to donate 0.18 BTC. Once you denote 0.18 BTC, you are able to also receive 0.18 BTC, and you will receive 8 people to 0.18 BTC. Now it's you have 2.8 BTC. Friends, and after that denoting this, accepting this amount, you have to again denote 0.90 BTC, and now you going on 5th level. After 5th level of upgrading, you are also available to receive donation 0.90 BTC, and now you total receive 28.80 BTC. Friends, and after that again you want to earn money, then you have to upgrade 6th level, and now you have to donate 2.0 BTC. Once you have denote 2.0 BTC, now you are able to receive 2.0 BTC 68 people, and total you will get 128 BTC. Friends, if chain will, if level is proper work, then you will receive 128 BTC. This process, if not 100% success, if 50% success, then you also able to grow big amount, you will gain big amount. See friends, there are lots of metrics how it's work. Friends, each level you move up, open more people on that level you can collect from, all the way to the level 6 where you pay 2.0 and have 64 people paying you 2.0 for total of 128 BTC. Friends, paying 10 to gym, open up 8 people paying you 0.8, paying 0.05 to Susan, open up 4 people paying you 0.20, total 0.2. Paying 0.03 to BOB, open up 2 people paying you 0.03, total 0.06 BTC. Friends, you want to step to a stage 5, but hurry is only a stage 3. Then upgrade will let you know hurry is not yet upgraded. To show respect, it would be nice to let Hari know you are ready to accept us and give him opportunity to accept him. If Hari chooses not to program, looks for the next person in the upline, that is the stage which you want to step up. In this scenario, it is your friend. I will make you a sunset. The funding potential portrayed in the following slides is not typically and not necessarily representative of the funding that will occur, if any, that a participant can or will receive through his or her participant in the Max Fund BTC. All references to funding potential implied or stated throughout this presentation are for illustrative purpose only. These figures should not be considered as guarantee typically or projection of your actually funding. Max Fund BTC does not guarantee any level of funding. Any representation or guarantee of the funding would be misleading. Friends, setting up and funding your accounts, joining, I will provide you link on this video. Just click there and you will open one link like this. See friends, after clicking you will open this window and you put a step by step all the information whatever it needs. And if any inquiry, just WhatsApp me on this number. See friends, and you join this program only through blockchain. You have to create blockchain. It is so simple. Just open blockchain.info and go there. Just put your email IDs there and your secret password there, and it's 30-second work and account will be created. And after that just receive and send your amount. It is simple work. You will find out another video also image there you can find out how it's work. See friends, it is so simple. Just check it how it's work. See friends, I hope you understand. I hope you understand all the purpose, all the process, how it's work. If any issue, just text me message and call or WhatsApp me on this number. So thanks for watching Kartklus.com YouTube channel. Have a fun friends and enjoy a lots.